The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for north central Lehigh County in eastern Pennsylvania, southeastern Carbon County in northeastern Pennsylvania, southwestern Monroe County in northeastern Pennsylvania, west central Northampton County in eastern Pennsylvania, until 6:30 p.m. At 5:43 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Lehighton, moving east at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Lehighton, Nazareth, Palmerton, Jim Thorpe, Slatington, Bath, Weatherly, Walnutport, Broadheadsville, Kunklatown, Gilbert, Rossland, Berlinsville, Emerald, Christabel, Sunshine Valley, Jonas, McCaskville, DeMillsville, and Beltsville State Park. This includes northeast extension between mile marker 67 and 87. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. In addition to large hail and damaging winds, frequent cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:30 p.m. for the following counties in Pennsylvania: Carbon, Lehigh, Monroe, and Northampton.